I'm Mokshita, and today I will be presenting my project titled CURA AI Intelligent Medical Chatbot. So this project is designed to combine verified medical knowledge with artificial intelligence to help both doctors and patients access reliable information instantly. So it focuses on one key goal, ensuring that every medical answer generated is trustworthy, verified, and easy to understand. This project was inspired by the MIRIAD research work, which aimed to reduce misinformation in medical chatbots using the RAG, that is Retrieval-Augmented Generation approach. So the dataset contained millions of doctor-verified question and answer pages, but there was no working chatbot or user system built on it. I took this as a foundation and developed a complete model that not only implements RAG but also includes a full web-based chatbot and visualization system focused on the Indian context. They also invented the MIRIAD Atlas, which is visual map of 56 medical specialties. So the major problem with existing medical chatbots is they often generate random or incorrect information since they rely on open internet data. So moreover, patients find technical medical terms difficult to understand, while doctors need more detailed and precise information. CURA AI addresses both issues. It generates verified responses from medical datasets and provides two modes, one for the patients with simplified answers and one for the doctors with technical explanations. So the CURA AI brings two datasets together, the MIRIAD dataset, which is over 5.8 million, and the Indian medical dataset. So we have built it over 3000 verified question and answer pairs, and this dataset together create a strong foundation for a RAG system, and the chatbot allows users to ask any medical related question and the system retrieves and generates an accurate response. What makes this unique is that it provides context based answers depending on whether the user is a doctor or a patient. CURA AI uses a modern full stack setup. The front end is built in React.js with a minimal and responsive interface. The back end runs on Node.js, which manages routing, token handling, and data flow. For model communication, we integrated Flask API connecting to the RAG engine, and the system uses FAISS for similarity search, Mistral 7B for language generation, and MongoDB for storing user logs and history. JavaScript with Gaussian distribution for the clusters was used to build the CURA AI Atlas for visualization. Here's the complete architecture of the system. When a user asks a question from the front end, the back end sends it to the RAG engine. Inside the RAG engine, FAISS searches the verified dataset for the most relevant question and answer page. These top results are passed to the Mistral model, which generates a final coherent answer, and the response then moves back through the backend through the user interface, and the entire flow ensures that every answer is both contextually accurate and verified. So this is the whole architecture of the CURA AI. So the retrieval process uses the cosine similarity to measure how close the user question embedding is to the entries in the dataset. Only the top few results with the higher similarity scores are sent to the Mistral model, and then the model applies the transformer's attention mechanism to synthesize a clear, complete answer. So this mathematical grounding ensures that the chatbot doesn't hallucinate or produce unrelated results. So compared to the original MIRIAD system, CURA AI includes multiple improvements. So we built a completely new Indian dataset, added a dual mode system for users, implemented the RAG pipeline using the FAISS and Mistral, and developed the CURA Atlas to visualize data clusters interactively. Most importantly, I transformed the data from just a dataset into a working product that users can interact with directly. So moving forward, CURA AI can be extended in several ways. We plan to add support for regional languages, integrate real-time health APIs, and even develop a mobile app version for wider accessibility. And can enlarge the Indian dataset based on the real world happening things, and over time it could become a comprehensive AI based medical support system that assists patients and doctors across various languages and locations. And we can enlarge the data set into millions and millions by generating the context into question and answer page. So this is the complete source code, dataset and documentation are available on my GitHub repository. You can also find the demonstration video link showcasing the chatbot in the action and the CURA Atlas visualization. Thank you so much for your attention. This was my project CURA AI. Thank you.